Welcome to Tiger Technology. For pupils, extensions are now offered on the Chrome Web Store. Open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Store to add the Grammarly browser extension. Grammarly is a grammar checker and writing app. For the download to commence, click Add to Chrome. Grammarly for Chrome is made to function flawlessly anywhere you find yourself writing online. There is no need to copy or paste anything while using Grammarly in your browser. Use Copyleaks AI Content Detector Chrome extension to determine if a person or an AI chatbot wrote a piece of material. Now you can see human content rote verification is verified. Use it online, in social media, email clients, and Google Documents. In contrast to simple spell checkers, Grammarly is a full-featured writing assistance program. It's fantastic for everyone who needs writing assistance. One of the worst feelings is sending a crucial email. And then realizing there was a mistake. Only to discover it was too late to rectify it. can find errors before they reach someone's inbox by using Grammarly. Your blog may be a side effort for your personal or professional life. Whatever the case, writing a professional, exciting piece or article is no easy task. Using Grammarly for Chrome. You can make sure that every new post is flawless before it goes live. Grammarly, Plagiarism and Citations. Tools for your research and academic papers will help you avoid plagiarism and correctly acknowledge sources. Thanks for watching.